decided to come to Calvary when we found out that Brooke was pregnant with our little one, Calvin. I grew up in the church, and I wanted to have the same experience for him, and I couldn't imagine not giving him that opportunity.
When we decided to come to Calvary, it was a new experience for me. I wasn't really raised with a church, so it was important that my son was going to be raised going to church and everything, because I think it's important. I enjoyed coming here. When
we first made the decision that we wanted to start going to church, honestly, we just kind of picked the place and started going, and we liked it a lot, and it was just a nice atmosphere. Everyone has been really kind to us, and it's a really nice sense of community.
I understand the message, and I just leave feeling refreshed every Sunday.
I grew up with the church, and as part of my life, I went to Sunday school all through high school, actually. So I'd say that was the start. I don't think that I really got to the point where I'm at until we started coming here. I'd say the biggest change in my life is that I've been a lot more calm, a lot more reasoned and rational. I do read scripture from time to time. I think what I always end up coming back to is the Sermon on the Mount, and I kind of think about what Jesus tells you in terms of how to act, and I kind of look back to that to remember what it is I'm supposed to do and how I'm supposed to act.
I'm always a person that worries a lot. I worry about everything. I worried the whole time I was pregnant. I worried about him, and when we came that Sunday, I decided to follow Jesus at that time. That was my first experience doing that, and I continue to learn more every time we come, and I definitely worry less, and when I do get worried or anxious, I can talk to God, and it's calming and refreshing knowing He hears me and understands me and knows my needs. I am Brooke.
I'm Jordan. This is Calvin. We are the Hawkins, and we are made new.